finally teamed up and met up with the JC Whitney guys.
Thanks, PowerStop.
Drank some coffee, had some breakfast, and we finally got into Colorado National Monument Park.
Enjoy the ride.
What is that?
What's behind you? I was personally not expecting any sort of wildlife to be out on the road this high up, but I also live in Chicago, so you learn something new every day. So now we're just making it up on the switchbacks and hit up some trails and have some fun.
We are airing down so we can have a nice, comfortable ride and a little more traction when we hit the hard stuff. It's muddy right now, but we're assuming if we get up a little higher, it's going to be a little drier and a little rockier. And letting some air out means that we can get some more traction and flatten out our footprint. See where we're at with some pressures here. Nope, we need less. I hope your GoPro's not on. I was just peeing back there, so maybe you can edit that part out. I'd really appreciate it. Eric's already seen some land he wants to procure, so he's going to...
I'm thinking about 4,700 acres out that way.
Yep.
I mean, technically we are in Utah.
That's right.
And by technically, I mean we're in Utah. Yeah,
okay.
yeah. We go down the border, and then when you make the left, you're fully in Utah.
Definitely a nice place. Be out here with nature. Trade it anytime for an office space.
Yeah. Please, Jesus.
You might not answer it.
Oh, is that working?
Oh, this is so sad that we're even trying to do this. We should just be enjoying the drive. Oh boy. No.
No, sorry.
Oh well. I tried. That's what's important.
It says no river crossing. So this way's dry. Lots of water.
Awesome.
Let's go get the water.
Okay.
Well, we're still waiting.
Oh.
Somebody's.
We have a code 2.
Yeah, nature.
Code brown.
When nature calls, gotta call back.
I would call this a full-blown stream. We're happy to start out with the Fisher-Price, my first river.
My first river.
So, yeah.
Crossing.
That's okay with me.
Well, not to make any suggestions, but Chris and I have experienced water crossings where the water was up to about this level when we sat in the Jeep. So
I am wearing plastic pants though, so I feel like I'm okay. Colin, if that's what it takes, I'm ready.
My plastic pants are in the Jeep.
Okay, well, I say let's suit up.
Straight across the river.